Today I'm going to show you the laziest ways to make money using AI, starting with a method that can make you $100 per day from anywhere on earth. All you have to do is type in a prompt, get an image, then once you send that image to your client, you'll get paid. It's AI thumbnail creation. The most important part of a YouTube video is the thumbnail, because if it's good, people will click on it, which makes the creator money. But if it's bad, it'll get 0 views, $0 will be made, and the creator will have to get a job. Scary, right? That's the last thing an influencer wants to do, so they'll pay you well to create a great thumbnail that keeps their views high. But since you don't know how to design a thumbnail, we'll be using AI to create it for you. There's a bunch of AI thumbnail creation sites, but some like ChatGPT make you look a little special. So we'll be using the best one I found, which creates the highest quality images, because logically, if it's a higher quality, you can charge more money for it. The site is pixels.com. I've never personally used this, and I'm not being paid to promote them, but after about an hour of research, I found this one to yield the best results. Their website literally shows huge creators with 10 million plus subscribers using them, alongside all these videos with millions of views using their thumbnails. And for y'all that are unaware, the biggest channels on YouTube typically pay between $500 and $1,000 per thumbnail. I know this because big friend creators have told me that, and well, when I reached out, that's what I was quoted. But just because the A-listers on TubeU pay that does not mean you can charge $500 per thumbnail. As a new thumbnail designer, you first need to prove you can make good thumbnails before you get clients. You can do this with the AI by creating a bunch of random thumbnails for different niches as your past work. That can work, but the real sauce and what I recommend you to do is offer some small/mid-sized channels free thumbnails. Then use those live videos with your thumbnails on them as testimonials to get your first paying client. This way you're not just cold emailing YouTubers with random thumbnails. You are showing them real thumbnails that are getting clients views on YouTube. That's how you start getting clients and making real money. So if I was going to start this right now, this is exactly what I do. 1. Create 20 thumbnails with the AI as past work. 2. Show that past work to small size creators and say you'll make them a few thumbnails for 100% free. 3. Once those videos go live, the free clients should turn into paid clients, and then you can use them as testimonials to get even more paid clients. I think you should start by charging $20 per thumbnail, then you can raise the price as your demand increases. The best Pixels plan costs $54 a month, so that means you'd only need to create 3 thumbnails per month to be profitable. I know a lot of YouTubers over-exaggerate what you can achieve in these side hustle videos, but realistically, the creator economy is only increasing, which means more and more people will need thumbnails. So if you can master making them with AI now, this could become your full-time career in years or maybe even months. Imagine making AI thumbnails for a few hours, then having the freedom to do whatever you want for the rest of the day. It sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Next up is AI e-commerce. If you've heard of the dropshipping model, where you source a product from China for $10 and sell it for $30 on your own branded website to make $20 profit, this is that, but minus all the extremely annoying parts a beginner hates. You no longer have to learn how to build a website on Shopify's backend, or import a product from AliExpress that ends up being out of stock, or try to figure out how to create all the legal pages, because now AI will build you a professional Shopify dropshipping store of winning products that are ready to sell today. And guess what? It'll do it in less than 10 minutes for the price of $0. That's right, you can get a free dropshipping business built for you today that can make you money today in less time than it takes for a liberal to run a mile. It's as simple as clicking the first link in my description, which will take you to my AI store builder. Then you press build my free store, answer the questions it asks about the store, like what niche of products you're interested in selling. Then a few minutes later, your store will be created. This is the store my AI created for me in the last video, and boy, it is gorgeous. The only thing I had to do was change some prices, and then it was ready to go. Over 1 million people have used the AI to start their first business, and the testimonials speak for themselves. You can see some people making 5 figures per month and others making 5 figures per day. Dropshipping has never been easier to start, so you might as well give it a shot. And for y'all who are worried about the fulfilling orders part because you don't want to have products in your house or worry about shipping them from China straight to your customer, do not worry. The sponsor of today's video and my personal friends over at AutoDS will take care of everything for you. It's literally in their name, AutoDS. They automate the entire dropshipping process to make it as easy as possible for you. Like if you want to add more products to your store, it's as simple as going to AutoDS's winning product marketplace. Here you can scroll through best-selling products and even filter to the exact niche you chose when AI built your store. So if you chose electronics, choose it again, and now you can add any of these banger products to your website. For example, this rainbow keyboard and mouse combo looks like it has potential, so you click on it to check if the reviews are good, which they are. It has 5,000 4-star reviews. Then you need to ensure the shipping time is 14 days or less, which it is, so that's good too. Then the last check is to see if you could sell the product for 100% margins, which is double the price at around $100, and I believe you could. So the product's approved, and now you can import it to your store by clicking import draft and import again. It's that simple. Then once the customers start buying your products, there's no stress on you because AutoDS will ship the product directly to their house automatically. All you have to do is make sure your AutoDS order balance has enough money in it to cover the shipping and product cost of what you're selling. So click the link in my description and claim your 30-day free trial of AutoDS right now. Next up is AI Print on Demand. This side hustle is all about selling custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more without ever touching the inventory. How it works is you upload a design to Teespring, and whenever someone buys it, the platform prints it, ships it, and you keep the profit. Now here's where the AI makes it lazy. Instead of paying a graphic designer or struggling to make artwork yourself, you can use tools like Midjourney, Dolly, or Canva AI that instantly create unique designs and slogans. For example, you could prompt an AI to generate a funny cartoon cat lifting weights, or ask ChatGPT to brainstorm catchy slogans like fueled by coffee and chaos. You then upload these to Teespring, and suddenly you have a store full of products ready to sell. The setup is simple. 1. Create a free Teespring account. 2. Upload your AI generated designs. 3. Select which products to put them on. 4. Set your price and publish. On average, you'll make around $8 to $12 profit per shirt, but if you hit a trendy niche and start selling hundreds of pieces, it could stack up fast. There are people pulling in $3K to $10K per month from Teespring alone. Then for promotion, you got 2 options. First is free traffic, where you post short form content on social media showing off your designs. This is easier than ever because you don't need to buy the shirts and get photos of them on you anymore, because AI can put your design on a fake human model in seconds. Then second is paid traffic, where you'd run small Facebook or TikTok ad campaigns targeted at super specific niche audiences. Next up isn't really a side hustle, but it's a way to turn your money into more money without really doing anything. Since you were a kid, you were told to keep your money in a bank account, right? I know I was. But the thing about that is a Chase savings account only gives you 0.01% APY every year, which means if you have 10K in there, you earn $1, one measly dollar, for allowing the bank to loan out your 10K balance. But if you put the money into an investing account like Webull that currently gives you around 4% APY on uninvested cash, that means you'll make an extra $400 per year. Now granted, $400 per year won't make you rich or change your life by any means, but that is some extra grocery money, or a new TV, or a flight, or a gift for your kids. So if you want to make money from your money without the risk of stocks or crypto, I put the affiliate link to sign up for Webull below. It's super easy to transfer your money in there, and it only takes a few days to withdraw it whenever you want. Plus, they're still doing those bonuses I used to talk about. Like right now, if you deposit $100 or more, you'll get a $10 bonus and an extra 4% APY boost for your first month, which means you'll get 8% APY. That's honestly a no-brainer, so sign up and take advantage of your money now. The 5th way to profit without too much effort is I explained this really well in a past video, so I'll insert that now. It is a business that has made people with no business experience tens of millions of dollars in the first few months of 2024. And the best part is every single one of y'all can do this as long as you have an internet connection and know what social media is, which you clearly do if you're watching this video. In fact, you've probably spent money on this business model before without even realizing it. It's called the TikTok Shop affiliate business. If you've been scrolling on TikTok lately, I'm sure you've noticed this new button called shop on some videos. Well, whenever you click on that button and buy the product, the person who tagged that product makes money. Like if we look at this girl's video about some snail face product that's probably just snail jizz, you can see 11,300 of these bottles have sold on TikTok Shop so far, which equals $170,743 in sales. And since TikTok Shop gives you anywhere from 5 to 30% of sales, that means creators have made between $8,000 to $50,000 promoting this product thus far. And since this girl's video has over 2 million likes, I'd assume she's the affiliate for more than half of those sales, which means she most likely made $25,000 from this one video. Let that sink in. This one video that she filmed in her bathroom and probably spent 5 minutes editing made her $25,000. That's half of an average American salary and 10 times the salary in some other countries. All because she decided to make a quick 1-minute product review on her TikTok. Any one of y'all could have done this. Any of y'all. It's just 5 simple steps. First, create a TikTok account. You probably already have a TikTok account, but if you don't, search TikTok on the App Store, download it, then create an account. Second, sign up for the TikTok Shop affiliate program. All you have to do is search that phrase on Google, then fill out the application TikTok gives you. Third, once your application is approved, you need to buy the products. You can actually make content using the product. Depending on what item you chose, you may need to buy multiple to use an array of videos. Fourth, make enticing content that persuades viewers to actually buy your product. This can be done by making product review videos or by copying what others already do to promote the same product. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Fifth, if you've been doing this for a few weeks and see no results, pick a new product and restart the process. You should eventually find a winner. Like this girl tried a few products on her pages that all failed, then out of nowhere she made videos on this men's cologne product which got over $2.5 million in sales and probably made her over $50,000. So that proves if you just stay consistent and keep trying, eventually something will work. Next up is, in my opinion, the best business you could start in 2025. Because the margins are super high, you don't have to worry about fulfillment, and once you create a product, you can sell it for the rest of your life. It's digital drop shipping. I started making $2,000 profit per day with my own digital stores in 2023, and if you want to learn the basics, you can watch this YouTube video where I scale a new digital brand over $1,000 in a week. Just click there to watch it, and God bless.